Hey, what's up guys? This is Averroes and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about jurisprudence. Ramai orang fikir yang jurisprudence, it's like a very hard subject, the hardest subject in law school. But I'm here to tell you that it's not as hard as we all think, okay? Some people, they choose to believe that jurisprudence is hard. Every subject is hard unless you do your preparation, unless you do your studying, unless you actually engage with your lecturers and friends and actually ask questions and do all your work. Then it's not that as hard if you put in the extra effort. Before you actually study, or before we actually learn about what is jurisprudence, morality, positivism, all of those fancy jargons and terms, it's really important for us to actually understand what jurisprudence is all about. Jurisprudence ni, kalau if I can simpulkan in dalam macam a few words, I would say that jurisprudence is a history class. It's a anthropological class. It's a class for you to learn more about society. Why do we think of things in this particular way? Why do people have different attitudes towards a certain rule or a certain law? Mysticism, a lot about these ancient laws from the Roman times, their earliest of civilizations. How does it affect people until this very day? You know, LGBTQ, why perhaps people might have accepted it in the past, why do people do not accept it today? So you'll be looking at a very historical and anthropological as well as a societal view, why people think that the law is unjust. Why do people actually support the law even though it may be unjust? Is it because of the public support, the public advocacy? Is it because of... Therefore, once you understand and grasp... Secondly, while you're studying jurisprudence, it's not all about case laws, because you'll be looking at the views of the jurists, their comments, views from professors and doctors out there, perhaps reports, documents, or even interviews, debates, and discussions between people. These are your actual authorities that should be looking to humanly discussion and discourse. I was about to say intercourse. And lastly, I want to talk about jurisprudence is that while studying jurisprudence, you need to do a lot of reading, questioning, and inquiry. You need to have an inquisitive mind. Jurisprudence, as compared to other subjects, it requires you to do a lot of thinking and reading. It's not enough for you to go into class and listen to what your lecturers are saying, but you have to find your own sources and materials, because jurisprudence is a very broad topic. It's a very abstract subject. One people might have a different interpretation. One people might have a different view of this and that. Whether we like it or not, we have to be very well informed. And on the principle of being a law student, you should be knowing almost everything, if not everything, in this world that there is. So that's all I want to say in this video. I hope that it's a very concise and interesting video for you guys in order to understand what is jurisprudence. I hope to see you guys more in upcoming videos, and till then, good luck in jurisprudence. If you want more help or more videos, please do comment in the comment section below, and till then, thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.